Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So jumping in, we're going straight in with our Olehenriksen Brightening Gel Cream. It literally smells so good, exactly like oranges. Orange soda to be specific. So we're going to dot this all over our face and rub it in. And then for our foundation, we're using the Maybelline Fit Me in 120. I'm going to just pop this all over my beauty blender and then blend it in. And then I'm going to use some Tarte Shape Tape to highlight my top of my cheekbones and then blend it in again. And then for my setting powder, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And then I'm putting that on. Today I didn't want to use a, beauty blender, you know. Now for a bronzer, I'm using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. Blending that in. And then for my blush, I am using Paarty by Tarte. And this was like a birthday gift from Sephora. That's why it's so compact. So we're just going to lightly dust that over the apples of our cheeks, just giving us a little bit more of that glow we're looking for. Then I wanted to sharpen up the bottom of my bronzer and blush. So I'm just taking that Laura Mercier powder and just running that underneath my cheekbone and just blotting it in with this brush. And then same thing on the other side. And then I just went around my nose just because it gets quite oily up there and on my under eye. For my eyes, I'm going to use Colourpop in Paradox. Sorry, it's upside down. And today we're doing a halo eye. So I'm going to work up this Cranberry shade on the outer edge. And I'm trying to go for kind of a point, but it started off rounder. And then I just kind of worked my magic with the brush and the color to get it the right shape I wanted. So I went a couple times in with that color just to make sure it had the right payoff that I wanted. And then I dragged it a little bit down onto my lower lash line so it wasn't super bare. I'm taking that above my crease just so we have some definition going on. And then for my inner corner, I kept it on the same brush and it was just trying to make it super specific. So I'm just keeping it on that inner tear duct and then connecting up into the crease with Paradox on the other side. So it's okay if you get it on the center of your lid. It really doesn't matter. You can always take some concealer and blot it over. But I just ended up having enough space that it was fine for me to put my color on later. So just blend until you get the right color and payoff that you want and the shape that you're going for. So kind of went for like an almond shape. Then I'm taking a clean blending brush here and I'm just kind of smoking out the lines on it because I didn't want it too harsh. So I was just lightly going back and forth over it so it had kind of a more smoked out and blown out effect. And then same thing on my lower lash line, just kind of making sure those connect with ease, you know. Taking a real time I'm blending. Oh, okay. Now we're using my Derma Blend Set and Refresh setting spray to wet my brush. You can use water, saliva if you really want, or setting spray. And then I took my Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills and I picked up Snow, which is the lightest and whitest color in the palette. And I just put that on, I think, both sides of my brush. Yep, both sides of my brush, and super pigmented. And then I just placed that right in the center of my lid to give me a halo effect. And then you want to start bigger on the bottom, closer to your lash line, and go up to a thinner, more oval, or even a point if you really want, to your crease. Yes. Then I made sure I was packing a whole bunch of color on near my lash line because I don't like any gaps to pop through. I also went a little too crazy on this side of my face with my Glow Kit color. So I just wanted to add some more of that cranberry just so that the shape was equal to the other side. So I'm just touching up the Paradox cranberry color. Boom, added some lashes. And then we're going to take my Glow Kit again and highlight my cheekbones. So I'm taking 2 light golden shades here, just mixing them together and plopping them on my cheekbones. I think any type of highlighter would work, but this is the one I used. I also took a little bit of snow and added that more to the apples on my cheeks just to brighten it up a little bit more. Be careful because you can get a really harsh flashback from snow. Just a warning. So now I'm going to take this Lippy by Bite and line and fill in my lips here. Take me forever. Also, probably should be wearing some chapstick, but yeah, you know, we're going to get there one day. Then I took my Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick, added that to the center of my bottom lip and I guess top lip. And then I'm going to blend it in with my finger just so it has a more nude color. I was trying to go for like a concealer-y color, but the Bite one turned out stronger than I thought. Then I'm going to spray my entire face multiple times with my setting spray and make sure it's all set in place for the hot summer. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.